Bismillah. Okay, in this video, we will continue our learn about build mobile apps library using Flutter. And in this part video, we will learn about how to analyze the database and how to make the database using the PHP MyAdmin, and also MySQL. And for make this, we need one software or tools like SMBB. You can search on Google about the software. Sorry, SMBB like this, and after that you can download with suitable with your operating system. It means if you using MacBook, you can download version for Mac, and if you use Windows or Linux, you can download for that. And then after we download and we install, we will start it like this. We must start after we can see the green color and the status is running, and then we tap here localhost like this, localhost, and then we choose PHP MyAdmin, and then we create a database here. We create DB library apps, and then we just click. And after we just click, we will make the tables. But for the table, we can see here, this is for user for logging using this app. We can see that using the email and then password. And then for the sync up, we need the username, email, and password also. So here we create the TB user. TB means the table, TB user, and then we can give the number 5. And then here we need the unique key, so we create this ID user, and then the length here is 11, and then we need to username, and we give that filter because this support for alphabet also. And then we can create like full name, and then email. Sorry, we cannot do this. We can change it to full name like this, and email, and then password, and then we need one column that sync up. We can choose like that time here, and then email, this is factor also. This is for primary key, and this is auto increment. And then we click save like this. So here we have one table TV user. So next, this is the rater, and this is the price, and after that we can see here, this is the editable image, price. Okay, we can books, we can add book, ID books, and then book title, and we can here rater books, book rater, book description, text, and this is text also, and we give this to increment, and then I think that we need several columns about the price and format. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can give 5 here. Book price, and then book format, and then book language, and then book release, and then book file. Book file means that we will using like PDF file. Okay, this is page. We can use Flutter here, but also for book price we can use like integer, but it's also, is it okay for us we using the Flutter. And book format, this is the Flutter also. And book release, this is the integer, right? This is about the year, yeah, year. And then we can book file like this, and then we choose this null and primary and auto increment, and after that we can save. Okay, 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 I think that for right now that's enough, but we will, oh yeah, we need a book category. We create the new table here, TV category, and then we can give ID category, category name, yeah, that's enough. And then we could give this primary, and this is auto increment. Yeah, I forgot to give here ID. After the ID book category. Okay, I think that for right now we enough to analyze the database, and after this we will create and I think that later we can create about the database for char and about the also for the shipping address, but I think that's we can make it later. Okay, I think that's enough for this video. Thank you.